Bwega barithĩria wa Meru TV nuntu bwa kwina mbere kwa tukirikana kairi ugora bunge bwega bora twina mbere kwa tukiona kanya ga utirimana kiri metha yetu ya ndeto kirigagira ati magura kunde thiete na mbere kuraitha uri kora kunde thiete na mbere gutinda uri no thireto wina ntugo imbegama na gitio kinene betire nko atogeni kiri metha yetu ya ndeto kabuthira bambitaga ne Faminas wa Kimathi na chio tugachambĩria kagitaniaka. Thirikari ya Kenya nithiretwe kinambere kwekiga wirane ati kainambere kwegua ikiagirithagia guntu kurutira biashara muno kiri nthiguru cia kigeni kengo utigira ati uchumi bwa nthiguru yetu ya Kenya bukuinambere kwegua bugikura rwari thiretwe kero mutongora mugongo President William Samoei Ruto na aragaroni yake kagitakara agotirimanite na kana kagitakara kwena mucemanio wa Kenya Saudi Arabia kwariria mantu makoneni na biashara agati kanthiguru ino iri chiri na aragaroni yake mujini wa Nairobi. Mwandiki wetu wa Ndeto Dennis Mutuma no guturikithire riboti ino.
Muthenya John Harua, rais wa nthiguru ya Kenya William Ruto na atongereria mucemanio gatigati ga atongeria ba nthiguru ya Kenya na ba nthiguru ya Saudi Arabia. Akiarekire mucemanio jojo jora kuthithikite ndene garone ni rais Ruto na ugete Kenya igeta na mbere kwitanira ngugi na gweka ucore bunene nthiguru ya Saudi Arabia.
You can export to the 27 countries in the European Union. Through the AGOA framework, you can also export from Kenya to America, duty-free, quota-free. So again, there are big opportunities for you and for investors, both from Saudi Arabia, working with their Kenyan counterparts, to do more business beyond what can be done between Saudi Arabia and Kenya alone.
Nkurukiruto na gweta ugeni ya biashara bonde banthiguru Saudi Arabia na kuboria kwiza nthiguru ya Kenya gwitanira biashara na Kenya. Ni ara rais augite Kenya iri na mibango ya kureta ngwataniro gatigati ka biashara cia thirikari na biashara cia antu kiumbe.
We already have a legal framework that is facilitative for public-private partnerships to drive investments in the public as well as in the private sector. And therefore, I just wanted to undertake on behalf of the government of Kenya that we are good to go for business. The Chamber of Commerce here